All right. So, are you sure you're rolling? So somebody asked me, how do I do corners like that? And they do have those knives that look a lot like this, that are cut at an angle like that. They do make those now. That's not what I use. I've been using this for years. But it's not even easy to get the mud up in there. So I've learned to do this and throw the mud up there. And then I can take it and wipe it out. So that's how I do it. You guys have a good day. And we just want to say subscribe.
Subscribe.
Say it louder.
Subscribe.
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 Did you want to say anything? Did you want to say that the drywall doctor is awesome?
The Drywall doctor is awesome.
This is my grandson, by the way, and this is our next line of drywall doctors. You guys have a good day. Say it.
Have a good day.